After having my consultation with Grace and analysing her hair, it's important that I make the right diagnosis to get the perfect product for the hair type. Grace has a fine hair texture that is chemically treated and coloured, and also a little dry naturally because of its natural wavy texture. The SEARESTORE mask, also for fine hair. The CPR Peptide 18 range is an intensive hair care system formulated for instant results. It is designed to strengthen, repair, protect, and add softness and shine. We're now going to apply the SEARESTORE mask. This mask is perfect for dry, damaged, brittle hair. It is a highly concentrated moisturizing product with the combination of hyaluronic acid, thermoactive protein, and conditioning agents.